Good morning. Today we will prepare pasta, so-called cavatelli, with vegetables. To prepare this dish we use as vegetables modica beans, some broad beans and some lentils. We use of course Sicilian vegetables. We need these ingredients. Here we have the cooked beans, the broad beans and the lentils that we will cook with some celery, onion and the carrot, oil, and then we will season with some salt, black pepper and some fennel. About the pasta, we have the so-called cavatelli that we obtained from the bran of hard corn, water and a pinch of salt. To obtain the cavatelli we work the pasta with a pinch of salt until to obtain a dough not too soft, smooth and well dense. That we will form in this way and then cutting some pieces. That after we will form by hand, creating our final result, the cavatelli. This pasta is very thick and it needs long cooking. The cooking will not be in the water but topped with the legume. The cavatelli will deposit their own starch in the bottom of the pot. Then there will be a cooking with legume well united and flavored. Let's begin the cooking of the legume. Let's pour some olive oil. Let's cook the celery, carrot and onion we cut very finely. And we let them brown to give more gusto to this dish. This dish is a more simple version. But in the past, to increase the nutritive power to this dish beyond the lentils, they added also some pork lard and also the skins pork. These other ingredients released a stronger gusto to this dish. To have a good cooking we must cover with much water. The cooking needs about 60 minutes. If we soak them previously we could reduce the cooking time of 10 minutes. But after all depends on the dehydration we will obtain in the legume. 15 minutes before the end of cooking we will add the cavatelli. There are still about 20 minutes to the finish of cooking and the vegetables are dissolved. And after having added some minced fresh fennel we add also the cavatelli. This will give more gusto to the dish and will tone down the sweetness of this dish given by the pasta and vegetables. Now the cooking of cavatelli is over, we can put into the plate. Both broad bean and the lentils are dissolved. And this old Sicilian dish is ready. Let's season with a trickle of olive oil, salt and a tuft of wild fennel. The dish is ready.
Mancano circa 20 minuti alla fine della cottura dei nostri legumi che già si sono anche sciolti un pochettino, hanno legato un po' il nostro minestra e andiamo ad aggiungere i cavati a cui ho aggiunto un po' di finocchietto fresco tritato che renderà molto più appetibile il piatto e smorzare un po' quella scala di dolcezze data dai legumi e dalla pasta. E si faranno cuocere qua. Bene, adesso siamo pronti, i nostri cavati hanno terminato la cottura, passiamo ad impiattare. Sia le fave che le lenticchie si sono dissolte. Completiamo così. Qua ed è pronto un piatto così invernale, contadino, siciliano, olio, un po' di peperoncino rosso e completiamo con un ciuffetto di finocchietto. Il piatto adesso è pronto e buon appetito!